Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Remember, I showed you guys how to marinate your beef a few days ago. Well, this is the beef right here, and this is the curry beef, and I'm gonna show you how to cook some curry beef at home. Right inside of this little bowl right here, I just cut up some seasoning. I got one medium potato, one medium carrot, one medium half a white onion, spring onion, thyme, garlic, and also tomato cut up inside of this already. So we're gonna show you how to cook it off in a pot at home, guys. Enjoy the recipe, and this is some curry beef from Chef Ricardo. Nice. So I have a medium-sized pot on the stove, and all I'm gonna do is pop a little bit of olive oil, not too much, and then pop some seasoning inside of it. That's all of my seasoning them. Carrot, garlic, everything. As you can see. And pop my beef in. The reason why I could put everything together because the beef I'm having is a tender beef, very easy to cook. And this will be nice to serve with the rice and peas or plain rice. Alright, so what we're gonna do, cover it and leave it, make it go and simmer down for roughly about 12 minutes. Nice and lovely, as you can see it's cooking down. Now we're gonna put some sauce in it. That is just some tomato sauce. A little bit of water. Just a little bit of water, not too much. Pinch of ghost pepper. And a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Now we make it go and cook, alright, for about 5 more minutes. Nice and lovely. It just finished, guys, and as I can see, it cooked, done and dusted. I just sheared it out, put it into a bowl, like you guys can see how it look. So as I can say, as I said before, I just put everything together, cook it down because it was very easy meat to cook. But if you're gonna cook a tough beef, please cook the beef first, then you add your veg. But as you can see, that looking lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.